Dear young attorney, you know one of the hardest skills to master as an attorney, as a seasoned attorney, is asking your clients for money. My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, and I started my law firm in 2010. Never done any business before, right in the middle of the Great Recession, started with 0 clients, 0 network, had moved back to Utah, had nothing, loaned myself money, and had to go get clients. And I got some clients, and then I was scared to death of asking them for money. I mean, scared, literally scared. So I didn't do it. I'd go months without asking them for money, and I'd rack up bills, and then they would get mad at me when I would ask for money, but I was terrified to do it. It was just a skill set I didn't have. And it's a skill set that most attorneys don't have. So they make, 50 cents on the dollar, 60 cents on the dollar, especially if they're solos and they don't have a system in place. They're just making jack, okay? They're doing 2 hours worth of work, and their bill, they're collecting an hour, okay? That's actually not okay. When you do that, you're taking money from yourself. You're allowing your client to steal from you, to steal from your family, and to steal from your team, okay? So the number one thing to get over this and acquire the skill of being able to ask your clients for money and do it effectively is realize that not doing it is stealing from your family and stealing from your team. You have a paralegal, you have an associate, whatever. You're not getting paid 100%. You're stealing from those people. You're stealing from their families, right? You're not paying them what you could because you're acting like a coward, okay? Realize that. Don't be a coward, okay? You're screwing other people by acting like a coward. So stop it, okay? So that's the first thing. The second thing that'll really help you in asking your clients for money and doing it effectively is to sit in front of the mirror and act this out. Just say, hey, Bob, I need you to pay your bill. Hey, Bob, I need you to pay your bill. Repeat it 1,000 times, okay? In front of a mirror until you get it down pat. This is going to seem to you to be really, really odd, but it's super effective. It's the same kind of thing. When you're getting ready for oral arguments, you should be standing in front of the mirror giving your oral arguments, right? Because then you can see your face, you can see your inflection, you can repeat it, you can figure out what works and what doesn't work. Same kind of thing here. Hey, Bob, I need you to pay your bill. I know you don't have any money, Bob. I need you to pay it anyway, otherwise I can't work on your case, right? Just do that alone in front of a mirror until you get great at it, until you believe it. Okay, then graduate. If you're still too nervous to go to your clients and do it, graduate to role playing with somebody else. Role play with your paralegal. Sit your paralegal down and say, okay, act like Bob, and I'm going to ask you for money. Okay, then do that. And once you get that down, once you role play that every day for a little while, you're probably going to be good to go. Last thing, if you're still really nervous about it, because people have objections and you don't know how to deal with those objections, what you do is you write down every objection that you can possibly imagine to, I can't pay you, right? Because it's all variation on a theme. It's all the same thing. It's I can't pay you. So write down all of those objections, whatever variations that you know and you come up with and you've heard, right? Write them all down and then come up with a way to deal with each one of those, okay? It's not gonna be very hard, let me tell you. So it's stuff like, hey, Bob, I need you to pay your bill. Bob says, I know, Marco, I want to pay my bill, but I can't. I just don't have the money right now. Then I say, okay, Bob, I totally understand that. Lots of people are having a little bit of trouble nowadays. Who has the ability to help you pay your bill today? Is that your mom? Is that your dad? Is that your uncle? Okay. Make this person give you a name. Okay, let's get them on the phone right now. What's your mom's number? Let's call her. Let's explain the situation. Let's get you paid up so I can get working on your case, because I can't work until you pay me. Okay? So that's one way to do it. That's just an example. But that's the thing. You sit there and you go through that, you write them all down, and then you role play them. This won't take you that long. You think this will take a long, long time to get good at this? It won't. It'll take you like a week or two, okay? Really do it every day. And then after that, you're gonna have developed that skill set. Your collection rate is gonna go from here, like way up here, okay? Get systematized with this, learn how to overcome these objections, learn how to do this in front of the mirror and role play it. Your income is gonna go way up here. You're gonna be able to pay your paralegal more. You're gonna be able to pay your family more. You're not gonna get taken advantage of. You're not gonna act like a coward anymore like I did, okay? Don't act like me. Don't act like the coward. The day I decided to change this behavior was the day everything changed for me in my law firm and in my life. So, okay, You need help with any of this stuff, you let me know, message me, I'll help you however I can. Again, the name's Marco Brown, and until next time, dear young attorney, go get it.